Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw money from Prosper Personal Loans in the USA, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money from Prosper Personal Loans, start by visiting the Prosper website. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts for registration. Once logged in, navigate to the loan section of your account dashboard. Review your available loan options, ensuring you meet the necessary criteria. Complete the loan application if you haven't done so already. Provide detailed information about your financial situation and loan purpose. Submit any required documentation to verify your identity and income. Wait for Prosper to review your application and approve your loan. Once approved, you will receive a loan offer detailing the terms and loan amount. Review the offer carefully, including interest rates and repayment terms. If you accept the offer, you will need to sign the loan agreement electronically. Once you sign the agreement, Prosper will process your loan request. After processing, the funds will typically be transferred to your bank account. Check your bank account to confirm the deposit of the loan amount. If you have any issues or delays, contact Prosper's customer service for assistance. Make sure to plan your repayment schedule to avoid late fees. Keep records of your transaction for your financial records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.